All right, let's have a look at how to select objects in the 3D Tiny House Designer. To select an object, just hover your mouse over the object that you want to select and you will see a little highlight box come up here in yellow, and to then select the object you can left click with your mouse to select it and the highlight box will turn orange. I will quickly disable the exterior walls to just give you the examples with the interior objects as well, and it works exactly the same way. So let's say I want to select this cabinet over here. I would hover my mouse over it and then left click again. And once I have selected my object, all of the properties for that object will come up on the right here. If you think about it, there's a lot of different objects in a tiny house. So for example, there's exterior walls, interior walls, lofts, windows, doors, and sometimes you might just be editing the cabinets, for example, and you don't accidentally want to select the walls and the windows. So we have built the selection layers, which just splits the entire tiny house model into different layers for you. And you can enable and disable those layers so you don't accidentally select objects that you don't want to select. So for example, we don't want to be able to select walls. I will just click on this tick mark here, and now when I'm hovering over the walls, these walls will not come up anymore. And now it's going to be much easier for me to select this cabinet, for example. Let's say I don't want to be able to select cabinets. Just for the sake of it, I will quickly click this cabinet and furniture button, and now I won't be able to select cabinets and furniture. So if you're trying to edit something and for some reason you can't select it, just make sure to go back into the selection layers and see if you have disabled this layer by any chance. I'm just going to turn everything back on again so we can bring it back to default.